One way to make your life easier as a developer is to use a PHP trick. PHP is a server-side scripting language that adds some logical functionality to a website. So for example, we are used to setting up our navigation bar and our footer all in the page that we're viewing. So you can see right here, we have the doc type all the way down to the bottom header in index.html is exactly the same as what we see in our register.html page. So if we want to make a change to the navigation bar, we have to do it both in index.html and register.html, and then in schedule speakers, thanks, and venue.html as well. It can be a huge hassle. So instead, with PHP, what you can do is you can create a file called header.php, and you put all of that reusable code in there. Then in your index.php page, what you would do is you would have a simple script that says angle bracket question mark PHP include header.php. So what's happening is this file, index.php, is retrieving header.php. The same can be said for your register.php class, and then all of your custom code would go right in between here. So now if I browse index.php, you will see that it's pulling header.php right here. It's pulling in the custom code that's in between header.php and then footer.php right here to create one single web page. If I hit Control U, all of the code appears to the end viewer as if it's just a regular HTML file, but this is being joined together essentially on the back end on the server side. Now you'll see right here, if I click on register, there's nothing here except for the header.php and footer.php file. But if I were to add something to register.php, I'll just add this. It'll be mostly unstyled. When I save this, it's still going to call the header.php and the footer.php and this new thing that I added right here. Hello world. It's a kind of a sloppy example, but it demonstrates the point. The advantage of this is that if you make a change to your site navigation, you only need to change it once as opposed to on every single page.